In this video, I'll show you how to install the air shield for the bottom mount Miele freezer. This is for the KF1800 and KF1900 series. Part number 7377061. Be very gentle. Get the clips over the grill. Do not force it because you'll break them. And get the foam in between that part. The purpose for the air shield is to stop the hot air from recirculating back into the cold section. Because without that, it would overheat and the compressor is going to run longer for a longer run time. There you go.